Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new null object for control of them layers. Let's create new null, and for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon. Clickation tool and move to center. And let's select this line. Let's see which layer. Okay, link to null object. Select this liquid. Let's see. Okay, also link to null object and element. Let's see. Okay, let's link to null object and glass. Link to null object and layer 4. Link to null object, layer 3. And link to layer element. Select layer element. Let's see. Okay. And the last one, layer 2, link to also null object. And select this liquid and press M, delete max 1, and select null object, press R, open rotation, change rotation 90. And let's move to center like this. So in this time, select this layer element and press P, move to right like this. Okay, select this liquid layer. Let's zoom in here. And for add mask, double click rectangle mask tool and open mask 1. Let's see. Okay, so first one, let's create mask path and select this mask 1. Let's hold shift, move to left. So in this time, let's go to 3 seconds and move to left this mask. Select 2 keyframes and make it easy or click F9. Let's see. Okay, pretty good. Go to first second and select this layer element, press P and create new passing keyframe. Go to last keyframe and move to left. Select again 2 keyframes, make it also easy and preview animation. Okay, that's good. And in this time, let's go to first second and close keyframe settings and right mouse, new, let's create new solid layer. Add name bubbles. Click OK. Go to Effects Presets, search Effect Bubble. Select the CC bubbles. Let's use for bubble solid layer. Okay, we have animation like this. And go to shading type. Choose here none. And for change these colors, go to Effects Presets, search Effect Fill. And use Fill for bubble layer. And we can control colors here. For example, let's choose blue like this. Click OK. And in this time, let's put this bubble inside the liquid. Go to rectangle tool and let's create mask like this. Clickation tool and change bubble size 1. Let's see. Okay, and speed, let's change 0.3. Nice. And select this bubble. Let's move to behind of element layer. And in this time, let's click toggle switch mode for see track matte. Link to track matte to liquid. And select liquid. Let's enable and preview animation. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's create drops. Let's go to pen tool and create like this drop. Okay, and let's move to down like this and change curves. Clickation tool and go to fill, choose color blue. Click OK. And let's change name drop 1. And go to anchor point, move the anchor point up, clickation tool, and move to here. And press S, change scale, let's change scale 0, and create scale keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes, and let's change scale like this. And select keyframes, make it easy. Let's select last keyframe, move to right. Okay, and go to here. Let's hold shift, press P. Let's create new passing keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes here and move it down. Select keyframes, make it easy. Go to graph editor and let's see animation. So let's create falling animation. Select first keyframe and move to right. And select last keyframe, move to right also, and let's see. Back to keyframes, select last keyframe, move to left. And select two keyframes, move to left more. Nice. And go to last keyframe. And here, let's go to edit and split layer or Ctrl+Shift+D. And select drop 2, delete. And select drop 1, let's close settings. And Ctrl+D for duplicate, move to right. Nice, very good. Okay, move to left for speed animation. Nice. Select these two layers, Ctrl+D for duplicate, and drag move to up. And move to right. Nice. And select these drops. Let's again Ctrl+D, move to up, and move to right. Again Ctrl+D, move to up, and move to right. Select work area. Nice, very good. Okay, we have animation only for 3 seconds. And select these last drops, delete. And select work area for full animation. Okay, that's good. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.